going on, everyone? Steven here. Today we're going to be murdering out a Ram 1500. So we're going to be doing the whole truck in matte black, and then after that we're going to be doing the mirrors, handles, and badges in gloss black. Plus the badges back here, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started on it. Well, we got the whole truck masked up, wiped down, everything. It's been drying for a while. Got the door shut because it started raining outside, so we're hoping that goes away real quick. And we're going to go ahead and get the matte black over here, get it mixed up, and put it in the gun. Got everything loaded up, ready to go. Got the first tack coat laid down. We're going to let that dry before we start moving on with the rest. We got 6 gallons of black. Yeah, 6 gallons of matte black to do. Let it sit overnight, and then we'll start doing the badges tomorrow. Well, the first coat's dry. Gun is filled back up. Off to the second one. So a little bit of progress update. We have most of the black laid down. We're actually almost done laying all the product down, but we have a problem. I got the run in the door right here. So as you can see, got that, and there's a little bit of trash they got in there too. So what we're gonna have to do is just peel this door and respray it. The way to pull the wrap off is to just start working the edges. Make sure everything comes off. And just do that around the entire panel. Once you get all your edges worked up, next thing you do, just grab it, start pulling it off. door peeled, resprayed. The whole truck is resprayed so everything matches. All the product is laid down, so we're going to let it sit for about, I guess 2 hours.
Yes.
And come back and start peeling everything. Well, we're back at the shop. It's been a couple hours. Got a nice little sunset going on right there. These two cars you'll be seeing within the next 2 videos or so. Truck is done, dried. Time to start peeling. Yeah, the truck does look really good.
She said, y'all did an awesome job. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see the finished product. Thank you again.
Nice. Glad they like it. to do is come back in tomorrow, mask up everything like the mirrors, the handles, and do the emblems too, so we can get all that done in gloss. But here's a quick little walk around. Nice matte black. Kept all the plastics the same on the bumper too. Loving the color changing sticker. And we'll be back tomorrow. We are back. Truck is looking beautiful. I've already started masking up everything for the door handles on this side. I still got to loosen up the mirror, mask everything behind it, and also we're going to be brushing the gloss onto the badges today because that's a little bit difficult to mask up. But yeah, door handles, rear badges, and mirrors, and that's about it. Well, we got everything done. Got the handles, the handles, the mirrors, the badges done in gloss black. We did have a problem with the front emblems over here. They weren't too happy about putting the gloss on, so we had to get these peeled and go back to the original state that they were in. But we got that done. We got the mirrors, the handles done. Whole truck's cleaned up. Well, it's dirty right now because it can't actually be washed until tomorrow. But other than that, everything's done on it. And she's ready to go. We're going to let it sit out here and dry for a little bit longer on that gloss. Then the customer is going to come in and pick it up, and we're going to go ahead and get started on this brand new Mazda CX-9. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you think